Once you've got your problem defined, identified your KPIs, and gotten your data governance in place, it's now time to roll up your sleeves and dig into the analysis. You can break down this analysis into two specific tactics: explanatory and exploratory analysis. Exploratory analysis is when you delve deep into the data to mine it for interesting insights. Next comes explanatory analysis, where you have a specific insight that you want to share. The interplay of these two tactics is where you can create a huge amount of value. For example, you could create a dashboard with your KPIs clearly defined along the top. Then have interactive visualizations of the various dimensions of your data populate the rest of the dashboard. The unfiltered dashboard is essentially explanatory analysis, but once you start to use the interactive components of your dashboard, you are now clearly in exploratory analysis territory. There are a ton of different tools you can use to uncover insights. Excel is the most widely used tool for analysis, but in recent years, data visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI have come onto the scene and made it easier than ever to uncover insights with just a few clicks of the mouse. And if you have the resources, more advanced forms of analysis are possible as well, such as machine learning and optimization modeling. This can get very confusing quite quickly, so let's break this down into a few different broad stages of analysis. There are three main stages of analysis: descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analysis. Descriptive is the most basic form. Here, you look at historical trends to uncover insights that can lead you to the right decision. Next, we have predictive, and this is the intermediate stage. Here, you can look at your historical trends to build future forecasts. And finally, we have prescriptive, and this is the most advanced stage of analysis. Here, you build optimization models so that you're not only looking to the future, but you're looking to make the right decision in the future. There are many different ways you can analyze data. Just bear in mind that often the simplest solution is the best solution. There's no need to overcomplicate your analysis.